हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ एक सिंपल नोट ऑन
लेंथ कंट्रैक्शन।
फ्रेंड्स। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नया है तो सब्सक्राइब करके पास वाला बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि न्यू नोट्स आते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले। तो चलिए पहले इसका डेफिनेशन लिखते हैं।
When a body moving with very high speed, then its length becomes shorter. For an observer, observed from an a stationary frame of reference. This phenomenon is known as length contraction.
अब चलिए टॉपिक का एक्सप्रेशन ड्राइव करते हैं।
सपोज एक रेफरेंस फ्रेम origin x, y, z coordinates and name s and एक दूसरा रेफरेंस फ्रेम name s prime and coordinates x prime, y prime, z prime. It is moving with speed v along x-axis and consider a rod AB. Now let s and s dash two reference frame where s dash is moving with uniform speed v along x-axis with respect to S frame. Let AB be a rod having coordinates x1 prime and x2 prime of 2 and with respect to S dash frame. Therefore, length of the rod at any instant of time observed from S dash frame is L naught equal to x2 prime minus x1 prime. That this is equation number 1. Similarly, let x1 and x2 be the coordinates of 2 end of the rod with respect to S frame. Then L equal to x2 minus x1. Let this is equation number 2. Now we know that according to Lorentz transformation equation x2 prime equal to x2 minus vt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square, and x1 prime equal to x1 minus vt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square. Subtract x1 prime from x2 prime equal to x2 minus vt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square minus x1 minus vt divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square. After subtracting, we get x2 minus x1 divided by 1 under root 1 minus v square by c square. Imply L naught equal to L divided by under root 1 minus v square by c square. From equation 1 and 2, we got L naught and L. Imply L equal to L naught into under root 1 minus v square by c square.
This is the expression for
Length contraction.
सो फ्रेंड्स, नोट अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।